What is up, everybody? This is Coach Dunbar with TBD Coaching and Training, wanting to give you guys a quick rundown on one of our newer services, which is the IRS service, Inbox Rescue Service. And what is that? It is to help you if you have a Gmail account. We are here to help you clean up your inbox, right? I know that there's so many of you all out there that were just like I was 5 or 10 years ago, right? Intimidating going into your own email. Somebody says, hey, I sent you an email. You're looking in spam. You're looking in promotions. You're looking in updates. You're looking in social. You're looking in all these places to try to find an email that somebody sent you that was important. Marked as important, prevent from going to spam. All of these tools that you use that don't work. You've got 6, 7, 8, 20, 100,000 emails in your inbox, and you don't know how to get through them. You don't know how to stop new junk emails from coming in. You don't know how to mass delete. You don't know how to do any of those things. We have 2 different ways that you can operate within our IRS service. One is you can simply pay $69 and have our IRS Bootcamp, which is a video training that will show you how to do everything you need to do to get yourself down to inbox zero, consolidate, organize your emails, and also clean up your inbox. Or you can pay $199, and that $199 will allow you to have us go in and do everything for you. We will do a couple of Zoom or virtual meetings with you just to make sure we understand what kind of folders and labels that you want within your system, what you want inside of your multiple inboxes, whether you want a right pane view, any of those different options. We will make sure that you understand what they are, and we will set them up for you and show you how to do the upkeep. So again, IRS, Inbox Rescue Service. This is strictly for people who have Gmail. We focus on Gmail clients. So again, cleaning up your inbox. That's deleting unwanted emails, unsubscribing from unnecessary lists, right? Putting the emails in folders that you want to keep and go through when you want to go through them. Archiving old emails, right? Getting your inbox down to inbox zero, right? Whatever that is to you. It could be 100 emails. It could be 1,000 emails. It could literally be 0 emails in your inbox. We want to consolidate. We want to organize. We want to label. We want to create filters so that Gmail system will organize your emails for you, put them in particular folders, and label them the same way a virtual assistant or an executive assistant would do for you, except Gmail is going to do it for you at no additional cost. Now, if you have a workspace account or anything like that, you're paying for that kind of account, that's great. If you have a regular Gmail account, just so, right? A superhero.@gmail.com. It doesn't matter. Whatever kind of account you have, professional email, or just like me, a dunbar.robert@gmail.com, which is my very first personal email account. If that's all you have, that is fine. We can do it with either kind. But just understand your email does not have to be a mess. IRS Inbox Rescue Service will take care of that for you. One of our newer products that we have after we created our Gmail Productivity Bootcamp. So we have experience in doing this. We understand the methods. We have step-by-step guides that come along with the $199 service or the $69 service. So whether you want to DIY it and do it yourself, or you want to DFU it and have it done for you, we have it either way, $69 or $199. So please reach out to us. Let us know. You can send an email to ava@tbdcoaching.net. That's Ava, AVA, @tbdcoaching.net. And of course, if you're looking at this video on social media, then in the post, there's going to be links that'll show you how to go to the information page where there's frequently asked questions. You can get your answers there. There's a few testimonials there, and they'll let you know exactly how the service works, and you can enroll there. If you're looking at this video on our YouTube channel, just go down in the description and you'll see all that you need to see. You'll see maybe a couple of downloads in there where you can click and download a couple of guides, because we give those away at no additional cost, just because you're a loyal follower, listener, and you're part of our community. Also, you'll see the link for the information page there as well. So go ahead and go there so you can see, again, answering your questions, looking at any videos, looking at anything that will describe the particular services and get a couple of testimonials from some of our clients that we've already gotten to inbox zero. So again, this is Coach Dunbar, TBD Coaching, wanting you guys to know about our newer service, IRS Inbox Rescue Service. I promise you, you know your anxiety levels, you know where you're at in your particular business when it comes to looking at your inbox and looking at your emails. And if you don't think $69 or $199 is worth it, then obviously take a pass on our service. But you can also download our resource guides at no cost. All it's going to do is ask you for your name, your email address, and then it will fire off to you in the email. So, hey guys, wanted to shoot this video for you all so you can see something else that we're offering to make your business automate. That's what you want to do. You want your business on automation so that you can balance your life out, spend more time doing things that you love to do that may be outside of your particular business. So this is Coach Dunbar signing off. Again, shoot any questions over to Ava at tbdcoaching.net, and she will respond to you pretty quickly. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your week. Coach Dunbar signing off.